All right, the last one, it's 6ab plus c equals e minus e. All right, well, what is anything minus itself? Anything minus itself is 0. So in this one, we've got to do a little bit of simplifying first. So 6ab plus c. Now we're solving for b, so we got to get rid of the plus c. Minus c to both sides. This gives me 6ab equals negative c. I don't know why I'm making that look like a 6, but I am. Divide by, and we want to get it for b. So I'm going to divide both sides by 6a. So the 6 and the a will cancel. b equals negative c divided by 6a. All right, now I've got a lot of stuff written on my board here, and I've got one more problem that I would like to do. Do a little erasing. All right, this one does have a fraction in it. 3/4 x minus 1/3 y equals 8. Now, earlier you saw how we dealt with a fraction. You may not remember though. You can deal with the fractions and do a lot of fraction arithmetic. Or you can take one simple step and it takes a little bit of work and you can get rid of the fractions. If you multiply by the least common multiple, or be the least common denominator also, of everything that's in the fraction, you will eliminate the fractions. So 3 and 4, the least common multiple is 12. So I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by 12. All right. So now I'm going to have to do the arithmetic. 12 times 3/4 x. Okay. And then I'm going to do 12 times negative 1/3 y. Notice I put my 12s over 1. When you're multiplying fractions, you got to have a top and a bottom. You got to have a numerator and a denominator. We can do 8 times 12. 8 times 12 is 96. All right. Now, some nice things happen here. The 4 is going to cancel out, turn into a 1, and the 12 is going to turn into a 3. Divide the top and bottom by 4 there. So that's going to give me 3 times 3 times x. That's going to give me 9x. Here, the 3 will turn into a 1, the 12 will turn into a 4, and we're going to do 4 times negative 1. That'll give me negative 4y equals 96. Now, I admit that I focused in on this problem. I never bothered to tell you which variable we're solving it for. We are solving this for y, so we want to know what y is. Yes, I had to do some arithmetic here. In this case, there was some arithmetic to do, so you do get a little bit. But at this point now, if we're solving for y, I got to get rid of the 9x. Minus 9x minus 9x. Negative 4y equals negative 9x plus 96. Then we're going to divide by negative 4. Divide by negative 4. Y equals negative 9x plus 96 divided by negative 4. All right, now if you look at 96 and 4, they will divide nicely, but the 9 won't. A lot of times if you see a couple of negatives, you'll either get rid of the negative by changing all the signs, okay, or you can just divide it through. So this is one where it might look a little prettier. Negative divided by a negative is a positive, so you get 9/4 x. 96 divided by 4, I'll spare you the arithmetic, that's 24. Positive divided by a negative is a negative, so minus 24. So this answer is acceptable, or this answer is acceptable. Okay, and you gotta have the y equals in front of both of them. Hope that helps. Good luck.